So our first topic is thank you note. First of all, make a box, please. Okay, write down one question. Write a thank you note. Write a thank you note to your sister. Write a thank you note to your sister for baking a delicious cake for you. For baking a delicious cake for you. No, beta, only rough notebook. Write a thank you note. Write a thank you note to your sister for baking a delicious cake for you. Now you will make one box, but don't make the ending line. Only 3 lines. This one, and this one. Now in the first line, you have to write the word thank you note in capital letters and in bold. Bold means you have to just try to dark it. Make it dark. नहीं बेटा पेन से बॉक्स यू कैन मेक विद पेंसिल ठीक है yes yes pencil but now you can use pen because you are writing just in your rough notebook. In exam you will make box with pencil only. One line only, one line. Write this thing in one line better. Then leave a line. Yes, bold. In bold letters. Then date. You can follow any format. You can write day here or here. It doesn't matter better. We people give marks to this thing. Thank you note is there. We give half mark. Date is there. Again we give half mark. Now we find out whether the child has written day or not. Whether you are writing here or in front of the date, it doesn't matter at all. You can write anywhere, but day should be there. So today is Saturday. So please write down Saturday. Whenever you write a writing skill, just keep in mind you have to count the things. Date, done. Day, done. Okay, like that. Yes, you have to leave it. Then dear. Here you will write sister, brother, father, mother to whom you are writing the thank you note. Then you will leave one line. Then you can start, please, and try to write something emotional also and something good, your feelings. Now I'm waiting, write the content part in 40 to 50 words maximum, 40 words I think. Write down, I'm giving you 1 minute, please write down the content. Dear sister beta, she's your elder sister, so please write down dear sister. Lavnoor, you want to just speak up the answer beta? Lavnoor. Yes, you have to write.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, Lavnoor. Please tell me your question or answer, whatever you want. Lavnoor, rejoin the meeting, beta. I'm not able to hear you. Please rejoin the meeting. Okay, Ekansh. Yes. Write a thank you note to your sister for baking a delicious cake for you. Yes, Ekansh.
मैम
नहीं ऐसे yes बेटा.
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड आफ्टरनून बेटा.
मैम इस बार रिवीजन टेस्ट में डायरी एंट्री कौन से रिवीजन टेस्ट में आएगी?
बेटा just check your revision test 1 syllabus, then I'll send you revision test 2 also. Yes, in revision test 2 beta you will be having diary entry, and in revision test 3 only grammar from April to March, full grammar in revision test 3. I want to thank you, your dear sister. Thank you for baking a delicious cake for me. It was the best cake in the world. Okay. बेटा ये उनको पता ही कि on your birthday है ना, no need to write this thing. Okay, you can write like that. It was the best birthday gift. ठीक है? Yes. Next is Raman Preet. Raman Preet, ask your question if you have. Raman Preet. Yes, Raman.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, beta.
में एक चीज आएगी या थैंक यू नोट या सॉरी नोट?
Yes, beta. One writing skill will be there. कुछ भी आ सकती है, कोई भी writing. One writing skill. Adnan, you can ask your question.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Adnan.
मैम मैंने वो थैंक यू नोट पढ़ने के लिए किया था.
Beta, read the content only after dear sister. Yes, 1 minute. Now?
Okay.
Adnan, 1 minute. Yes, please.
Yes.
Beta, date and dear sister, no need to.
Thanks a lot for baking
Adnan, voice is cracking. Repeat, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Now repeated. Yes, yes. Now it's audible.
Dear sister, thanks a lot for baking for me a delicious strawberry cake. I was craving for a cake for about a week, and you fulfilled my wish. The flavor was my favorite, and it wet my taste buds. Thanks a lot.
Okay, well done. Well done. Correct. So anyone else who has written, please raise your hand. Thank you, dear sister, for baking such a delicious cake for me. Okay? It was a wonderful surprise. You are the best sister in the world. It's okay. It's okay. Doesn't matter, beta. Yes, yes. Yes, Harshika, please speak up.
I want to thank you for making such a delicious cake on my birthday party. My friend continuously present that you made for everyone. The cake was much tastier than of market because it was which.
Okay, okay. So, beta, I'm not able to hear you properly, but I could hear some of the lines. You said that it was far better than the ready-made cake. Okay, nice line. So, homemade cake made by you, it was far better than the ready-made cake. Okay. You can mention the flavor also, that which is your favorite flavor. Okay. Then my friends also tasted it and they appreciated you a lot. Okay. Yes. Next is Agampreet Singh. It's okay. पर बाद में ध्यान रखना बेटा. I'm coming.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning बेटा. Speak up the content.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am.
Thank you for baking delicious cake on my birthday. You know that my favorite flavor is mango and you made mango flavor cake. It was the best gift ever. Everyone liked it. It was very delicious. Thank you once again.
Okay, well done, beta. Well, it was very delicious. It was
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
best cake in the world. Okay, well done. Now, everyone, those who were raising hands, please quickly write down the sorry note. Write a sorry note to your mother for breaking an expensive glass. Okay, glass. Or for breaking her watch, her expensive watch. Write a sorry note to your mother for breaking an expensive, yeah, breaking her expensive watch. So by mistake, what happened? You by mistake just broke the watch of your mother. You have to write the sorry note. Yes, beta, bol do. Only content part. Only content. Well done. Yes, बेटा यहाँ पे name लिखना आपको. Yes, your name. Yes, after content you have to leave the line, then write your name. Now sorry note. There are two ways to write the sorry note. First one is sorry dear mother for breaking your whatever it is written, or I apologize for. Yes.
It was a wonderful cake in the world. There was a strawberry cake of my name. I like it very much. Thank you once again for this birthday cake.
It was the most wonderful cake in the world. Okay. Well done. Well done. You can simply start, sorry, mother, for breaking your expensive watch. Or if you want to learn something new, okay? So obviously in fourth class also, you people, you people have been writing this thing that sorry for doing this. Now try to learn something different this time. I apologize. This is also sorry, beta. This means sorry. I apologize for breaking your favorite watch or expensive watch. Hanji, beta. Okay, well done, well done. That's okay. Now please complete your sorry note. I will just come back to you after 1 minute. Okay, please write down your sorry note. You have 1 minute. Okay? Yes, Peter, let's now start. Yes. It was my mistake, but I did not do it intentionally. Okay? I did it by mistake. Yes, Raymond, you can speak up the content.
Sorry, mother, for breaking your favorite watch. I know that it was very expensive and very dear to you. It was an incident. I didn't broke your watch with intentionally. Sorry, I really apologize for my mistake, and in future I will try my level best that there should be. I would be very careful in future.
Okay, excellent, beta. Well done.
Sorry, thank you.
Okay, so I did not break it intentionally. It was just a mistake. Okay, so in future I shall be very careful and I will keep this thing in mind that we should take care of our things. So please write down sorry note. Minimum 40 words to होने चाहिए बेटा. I apologize for breaking your favorite watch. I know it was very expensive. Yes, in future I shall be very careful. Yeah, I will be careful. Okay? I will never repeat this mistake. Now, Lavnu, try to unmute. Let me check, are you audible or not? Lavnu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now you are audible. Yes, beta. Speak up the sorry note, beta, please.
Dear mom, I am extremely sorry for breaking your favorite glass.
Favorite watch.
I know it was my mistake. It's my humble request. Mom, please forgive me this time. I promise you I will never do this mistake again in future. I am sorry once again.
Okay, well done, beta. Very nice. So he's saying that, my dear mother, forgive me this time, and in future I will never repeat this thing. Okay, so well done. Okay. So now this is sorry note, and which is the third topic, only format we'll do. This is my promise, only format. So Adnan will tell us which is the next topic. Adnan. Yes, Amanpreet, I'm coming, beta. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, third topic.
Ma'am, paragraph.
Paragraph. और कोई नहीं है बेटा, letter और application. Nothing is there.
मैम सिर्फ यही 3 थे उसमें सिलेबस में.
Okay, fine. So paragraph writing is there, and there is no format of paragraph writing. Keep this thing in mind. You have to give the title, and obviously you people know that there is 1 mark for title. Okay? For example, visit to, last time we did visit to park maybe. So you people will write like this, visit to park. Then you will underline this. Then you will start your paragraph. This thing will give you 1 mark, beta. Okay? So if you will just directly start that, visit to any place gives us whatever, and if you don't write this thing, then 1 mark will be deducted. So write the title, everyone. Okay? Respected, beta. Respect.
Ma'am?
Somil, give me 1 minute. Beta, you said I don't break it intentionally. Yes, Ishmeet? I didn't. Okay? And in future, I will not repeat my mistake. No, okay? Don't wahan se bhi kaat do. Yes, Somil, please speak up. Somil?
मैम टेस्ट के अंदर मैम लेटर राइटिंग भी है.
Yes, letter writing. I was also thinking the same. Maybe Adnan hasn't noted down maybe. So beta, letter writing, that is informal letter. Okay, that is also there. Quickly write down the format. Then I'll give you 5 to 6 sentences of tenses. Okay. Now suppose this is your margin. You know why we are just revising all the things? Because Monday is your English test. and we didn't get time to revise. That's why we are revising so quickly. So this is your margin. Now write your address. Ishmeet, tell me one house number. Anyone? N? N? So N387. Any colony, Himang? Okay, Gopal Nagar. In the next line, you will write Jalandhar city. This is your informal letter. Revision test 1. Then you will leave one line. Then date. And I hope you know how to write date. Full name should be there. Otherwise, I will definitely deduct your 2 marks. One for writing date in incorrect way. Second for, forgetting your teacher's words. Yes. Now, dear friend, dear sister, dear mother, this is informal letter. So informal letter we write to our relatives, brother, sister, or friends. Why don't you note down? क्या हो गया? Yes. This means leave a line. ये lines का मतलब है leave a line. Okay. Now no need to leave a line here. Simply write three paragraphs should be there in letter writing. It depends on the question. We are doing the format only. 3 paragraphs should be there. In the first paragraph, we have to ask our friend, relative, father, mother, that how is their health? Okay? How are you? Yes. Beta, I don't know about other teachers. If you will make 1 paragraph whole, then I will definitely deduct 1 mark for sure. I want 3 paragraphs in the informal letter. So in the first paragraph, you will write. Now there are many methods, beta. First is, if you are not able to learn the lines properly, then you can simply write, hello, how are you? I am fine and I hope you are also fine. This is the easiest line. Second line is, hello, how are you? I am fine and I hope you are sailing in the same boat. Third method is, hello, how are you? I hope my letter finds you pink in health and joy spirit. इसमें से आपने कौन-कौन सी सुनी हुई है पहले से? First and second, not the third one. I hope my letter finds you pink in health and joy spirit. चलो फिर ये line note करो. Let's learn something new today. I hope my letter finds you pink in health, beta. What is the meaning of pink in health? That you are fit and fine. Yes. Revision test में marks ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है बेटा क्विज से. I hope my letter finds you pink in health. Pink in health means fit and fine, okay? And joyous spirit, that you are happy. You can note down if you want to write this thing in paragraph 1. Otherwise, you can simply write, I am fine and I hope you are also fine. लिख दो. In the first paragraph, you will ask about the health and you will write the purpose of writing. Suppose अगर मैंने आपको एक topic दिया, write a letter to your friend telling him how you enjoyed the wedding ceremony of your brother. ठीक है? फिर आप क्या लिखोगे first paragraph में? Anyone? Online students and offline. Your topic is write a letter to your friend. Let me repeat the topic. Write a letter to your friend telling him how you enjoyed marriage ceremony or wedding ceremony of your brother or sister. Okay, now why are you writing letter in the first paragraph? My dear friend, you will be happy to know that my sister got married recently. Yeah, my brother got married recently. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, I could not invite my friends. But in this letter, I will tell you how I enjoyed wedding ceremony of my brother or sister. This is your first paragraph. Any other thought in your mind in the first paragraph, you can just tell me. Raise your hands. Yes, Sana. Yes, after Sana, it's your turn. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we can also write that yesterday is my brother's wedding, and due to COVID-19, there are only 50 people invited, and only relatives were invited in the marriage, and some of friends or two his friends are invited. Ma'am, इतना लिख सकते हैं, I think first paragraph. Yeah,
This is your beta. This is your second paragraph. That we invited few close relatives. Okay, this is your second paragraph. First paragraph में you have to ask about health and why are you writing letter. You will be happy to know that my brother got married. I could not invite my friends. So in this letter, I will tell you this thing. ठीक है? So this is your first paragraph. Now Sana ने जो बोला वो second paragraph में आएगा. You have to mention the name of the palace, name of the hotel, whatever. जो भी था वहाँ पे. ठीक है? Hemang will tell us now what to write in the second paragraph.
Due to COVID-19, I did not invite my friends. There were only 50 guests invited. The name of the palace was Red Petal. I enjoyed there very much. I was wearing new clothes.
So he was wearing new clothes. He was very excited that he bought so many, clothes, different colorful clothes. Yes, please come here. कोई एक ही line बता दो. We are just.
I missed my friends a lot.
Okay, I missed my friends a lot, but sometimes we have to manage the things. Okay, well done. Yes, please. I prepared one performance. That was the dance performance, and I danced a lot. Okay, so dance is there. वो हमने discuss कर लिया. Clothes, ठीक है, outfit. What about others? What do we do on marriage then? और क्या होता है palace में? It was a very okay. The arrangements were so grand and nice. Okay. I ate so many dishes. Okay. No, I ate. No, I ate. No, ate is no word in English. Okay. Raymond, give us one idea only. Then Agampreet Singh, then Ramanpreet. My? Okay, my brother was looking so handsome. Okay, well done. Yes, Raymond, any 1 point?
We did a lot of shopping, and I was very excited to go there. And when I went there, there were many grand preparations, and there were many delicious dishes, and I really enjoyed that. And I also made a dance performance on it, and everyone enjoyed my dance performance, so I liked it.
Okay, so we started preparation 1 month before. ठीक है? और क्या हो सकता है? My brother was looking so handsome. अगर sister की marriage थी तो my sister was looking so beautiful. Anything else? I was little bit emotional also. If it was your sister's marriage, I was emotional because she was going to some other's house. ठीक है? Okay. And brother's marriage, I was so excited because we were going to, as we welcomed a new member in our family. Okay. Interesting. So Ramanpreet will give us one more idea. Yes. Yes, Raman.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Any one idea?
Ma'am, ma'am, on my brother marries, I wear the new clothes and I make the performance on it. I ate the delicious food or I dancing a lot. It was a very amazing marriage.
Okay, it was an amazing marriage. I wore new clothes. I danced a lot. Utkarsh will tell us one point, and then we'll end the paragraph. Third paragraph. I missed you a lot. Pay my regards to your parents. I hope to see you soon. Please come to my house to meet the new member. This is your third paragraph. Please tell me, quiz is important or revision test 1 is important? Please tell me. Then I think this was more important, beta. अगर हम क्विज ही करते रहेंगे तो कोई सिलेबस नहीं हो पाएगा. Yes, please. Okay, the bride who was my sister, she was looking very beautiful. Okay. अच्छा brother की wedding थी. Okay, then bride was looking so beautiful. Okay. Then Raymond. Only 2 students are raising hands again and again. Okay, we cut the cake. That was a grand cake. It was so big. Okay, I will send you the pictures also and you will enjoy the pictures. Okay? Chaliye beta, write down the third paragraph and at last yours lovingly. Then your name. Wedding ki pictures. Okay, all the best for your revision test. Okay, do well in revision test. Sorry note, thank you note, letter writing format should be clear. Okay, मेरे को full marks चाहिए सबके. चलिए बेटा, take care.